महबूबा मुफ्तींकर प्रतिक्रिया जम्मू काश्मीर पूर्वतन मुख्यमंत्री घटना को निंदा करछंती कड़ा निंदा करबा सहित कहछंती बे केंद्र सरकार को कोर्टे बल रही जहाँ किसी निष्पत्ति नेबे केंद्र सरकार आतंकवादी आक्रमण को प्रतिहत करबा पई आतंकवादी गतिविधि को प्रतिहत करबा पई ताकू ग्रहण कराजिबो बोली से कहछंती एवं ए निष्पत्ति ग्रहण हेबो बोली कहछंती महबूबा मुफ्ती।
Ma'am, what you want to say? Is it really a security failed and intelligence failed?
I think that's for the government, for the security agencies to assess, examine and investigate, whether it was a security failure. I can't say for that. I can't say that.
And is it a great, you can say, problem for the Kashmir J&K's economy?
It's not only about economy. I mean, it is also it's a human tragedy that Kashmiris are, heartbroken. It should not have happened. Of course, tourism is one of the backbones of our economy, so it's going to impact that. But more than that, Kashmiris are, sad. They are, heartbroken because what happened, it should not have happened. In our land, they were our guests. They had come to have a nice time, and it happened. It's very unfortunate.
It is also great impact on the livelihoods of the local people and community, including business, health, industry.
Naturally, I said it. Tourism is one of the very important aspects of our economy. But more than that, it's a human tragedy.
And after the all-party meeting, what you want to say?
Which all-party meeting?
In central government.
I think all the political parties sat together and they discussed the way forward. Now it's for the government to see, how they go forward, because Kashmiris have stood by the country. They have united against terror. So now it's for the government of India to reach out to Kashmiris.
Like you think United Security Nations जो council है, according to that 1373 United Nations Security Force Council's article 1373, do you think that India should take action against Pakistan?
I'm not aware of any such article. I think Kashmiris have seen too many wars between the two countries, and we have been the victims, the worst kind of victims, as far as the wars go. Because whenever there is a war, nobody is the winner, and the worst losers are the people, because we are a border state. So I don't know whether our country goes to war with Pakistan. I don't know, but we have seen many ups and downs in the relationship between the two countries, and we can't do much about it. It is for the government of India to take a decision how they want to go about it. But as far as we as Kashmiris, we have seen worse times when there has been tension between the two countries, and it affects us very badly.
But this is very happy moment after 39 years. Come across the party line, political party line, religion, creed, caste. The people, the Kashmiri, they are showing their unity. What is your message?
That's what I say, that Kashmiris have come together for the first time during last almost 40 years, and they have stood against terrorism, and they have stood with the country. Now it's for the government of India to reach out to Kashmiris.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable time.
ए संपर्क में अधिक आलोचना करने संवाद प्रतिनिधि विभूति पति आम सहित जोड़ी होती। विभूति आप आलोचना करते महबूबा मुफ्ती सहित घटना को केमती देखुं मोटामोटी भाव जेहेतु जम्मू काश्मीर पूर्वतन मुख्यमंत्री रही सारी लोकों समस्या को से गुरुत्व दौरान जो मैंने साधारण जनता थे पर्यटक थे आसी एमती आक्रमण को निंदा करुँच घटना केंद्र सरकार कौभली आभिमुख्य ग्रहण करुँच नजर रही कहते आम आलोचना करूँ विभूति पति सहित जमती महबूबा मुफ्ती प्रतिक्रिया नौले विभूति और महबूबा मुफ्ती कहवा कथा कि ये अत्यंत घृण्य एक घटना घटी जहाँ नहीं कि जम्मू काश्मीर लज्जित अटे पूरा विश्व आम लज्जित
is going to support fully. Thank you very much.
राहुल जी जो देश का कोई धर्म नहीं होता है, सर जो बाहर अत्याचार हो रहा है उस पर सवाल नहीं सर।
विभूति पति आम सहित जोड़ी होती संपर्क में आलोचना करने विभूति आप महबूबा मुफ्ती सहित प्रतिक्रिया आप नौले आलोचना करुले ए घटना को केमती देखुं महबूबा मुफ्ती
निश्चित देखो यहाँ को लेकिन बर्तमान केवल आपन जदि कहे जम्मू काश्मीर पूर्वतन मुख्यमंत्री महबूबा मुफ्ती नुहे वर्तमान मुख्यमंत्री ओमार अब्दुल्ला प्रतिक्रिया देइछंती समस्ते कहते जे एटा गोटे अत्यंत घृण्य एवं निंदनीय कार्य दीर्घ वर्ष पर जो काश्मीर रे गोटे प्रकृत में वास्तव दलमत निर्विशेष समस्ते स्वीकार कर गोटे विकास धारा आसीला कारण काश्मीर 80% लोक केवल पर्यटन पर निर्भर करती अर्थनैतिक स्थिति सुदृढ़ होता है पर्यटन तेणु एभली परिस्थिति में जो अमानवीय नरसंहार कार्य केतक नर पिशाच घटाइले यहाँ नहीं तीव्र प्रतिक्रिया प्रकाश कर कौन राजनीतिक दल राजनीतिक व्यक्ति विशेष किंबा स्थानीय जनसाधारण समस्ते आप जब देखिए मद्रासार जो शिक्षक मैंने अच्छा समस्ते यहाँ गोटे मंच विरोध कर आउ ग्रहणीय नुहे एवं स्पृहणीय नुह बोली समस्ते मत दौरान यही परिस्थिति को देखला जहाँ लगुच वर्तमान
One of the people who was injured, I of course couldn't meet other family members and other people because the injured people have gone back. My love and affection to everybody who has lost family members, and I want everybody to know that the whole nation is standing together as one. We had a meeting yesterday with the government, and the united opposition condemned this action and said that we are there to support whatever action the government wants to take. The idea behind what has happened is to divide society, is to make brother fight brother, and it is very important that every single Indian stands united, stands together, so that we can defeat what the terrorists were trying to do. It's sad to see that some people are attacking my brothers and sisters from Kashmir and the rest of the country. And I think it's very important that all of us stand together, stand united, and fight this nasty action that has been taken and defeat terrorism once and for all. Thank you very much.
सर एक
Oh, yeah.
सवाल है
Sorry.
सर एक सवाल है कि
one
आतंक
second.
की कोई जाति नहीं होती
One
कोई
second.
धर्म नहीं
One
होता
second.
ये किस टाइप की
I
बात
came
है?
here.
किस टाइप की
I
बात
came here. I mentioned that I met one of the people who was injured. I also met Chief Minister and LG, and they briefed me about what had happened. And I assured both of them that myself and our party is going to support fully. Thank you very much.
सर आतंक का कोई धर्म नहीं होता सर किस टाइप की
राहुल गांधी प्रतिक्रिया आप शुणुले विरोधी दल नेता आसी आलोचना करते ओमार अब्दुल्ला सहित ये घटना अत्यंत निंदनीय घटना भाई भाई भितर विवाद सृष्टि करने एक घटना को जाणी बुझी जाणी शुणी अंजाम दि जाइथिबा कथा कहते राहुल गांधी सेपटे पूरा घटना केंद्र सरकार तीक्ष्ण नजर रखिंट ए घटनार कड़ा मुकाबला करा जवाब दिया नहीं राहुल गांधी प्रतिक्रिया रखुंट ए घटना 28 जन पर्यटकों मृत्यु होगा एवं वर्तमान जम्मू काश्मीर संपूर्ण रूपे हाई अलर्ट रही केवल जम्मू काश्मीर नुहे जो राज्य गुड़िक विशेषकर सीमा तटवर्ती अंचल गुड़िक रही स्वतंत्र दृष्टि रखा जो मैंने पाकिस्तानी रही तुरंत भारत छाड़ी जावाई निर्देश रही ओडिशा रे पाखापाखि 12 जन पाकिस्तानी रही जो मानक भारत छाड़ापी निर्देश आसी सारी नोटिस हो सारी ए घटना प्रतिक्रिया रखुले राहुल गांधी अत्यंत दुखदायक घटना एवं ए घटना आतंकवादी आक्रमण में 28 जन व्यक्ति जीवन जीवा सहजरे ग्रहण करा जाई परिबा नै भारत यार कड़ा जवाब देव।